dear students. So in the last class we have completed with the unit number 6. So we have given the notes so that we have to discuss. But in today's class we are going to do the revision for the unit test. Okay. So these are the keywords, 10 keywords. So first one, Carly. Second is rooster. Third is sniffed. Fourth is crabs. Fifth is basket. Sixth is chai. Seventh is Johan. Eighth is crawling. Ninth is rusted. And 10th is disobedient. Okay. Coming to the answer these questions in 2 or 3 words only. So what did Johan's mother tell him to buy? What did he tell? So Johan's mother tell him to buy some salt and 5 fat crabs. So what did the mother tell him to buy? Johan's mother told him to buy some salt, 5 fat crabs. Some salt and 5 fat crabs. Next, second one, how did Johan decided to send them to his mother? So Johan decided to send the crabs by their own. They can walk. Johan decided to send the crabs by their own. They can walk. Next, third one, what did Johan use to make his boat? So what did he use to making his boat? So Johan used the emptied white salt packet to make his boat. So Johan used the emptied white salt packet to make his boat. Next, fourth question. What sound made Chai tug at Johan's treasures? So what sound made Chai tug at Johan's treasures? Chai heard a familiar whistle that made it tug at Johan's treasures. So Chai heard a familiar whistle that made it tug at Johan's treasures. Coming to the third mean. First one, okay mother, I will go right away. Who said this and to whom? Okay mother, I will go right away. So this line, who was said and to whom was it said, they're asking. So this sentence, it was said by Johan, said this to his mother. So Johan said to whom? Johan said to his mother. Next, B question, where did the speaker have to go? Where did the speaker have to go? Johan had to go to Mickey's shop. So where did the speaker have to go? Johan had to go to Mickey's shop. Next, C question. Why was he eager to go right away? Why was he eager? So he was eager to go right away because he could go exploring new places. Okay. Next, coming to the second question. Carly fluffed his feathers angrily. So what made Carly so angry? When people on the way to the market and Johan, if he was selling his rooster, this made Carly angry. So the people asked that, will you sell the Carly? So the Carly got angry there. B question, what does this shows about his feelings for Johan? So this shows that Carly trusted Johan. Johan loves his pets and he always protects them. Next, third question. Johan's mother laughed. Then her face began to turn red. Why did Johan's mother laugh? Johan's mother laughed when he told her how he had sent the crabs home by giving them directions. So why did the mother laugh? So because he has told that the way how he has tended the crabs. B question. Why did Johan's mother's face began to turn red? So Johan's mother's face began to turn red because she was angry with Johan. Next, C question. What made her feel like this? Johan's mother was angry at Johan's foolishness and irresponsible behavior. So next, coming to the fourth question. Why were the crabs angry with Johan's pets? The crabs were angry with Johan's pets because Carly picked at the crab and Chai sniffed around them. Fifth question. Why was Johan tempted to join his friends? So Johann came to join his friends because they were sailing paper boats. So for that he wanted also to join for playing. Why did the crabs wink at each other? The crabs winked at each other because they could then run into the river and be free. So they can run into the river and be free. So only they were winked at each other. So this is all the question and answers which you need to refer for your unit test. You need to read, right? So thank you, students.